Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to our brand new video. Today we have come here to make this video and I have so many questions, and you know that you were watching this video that I have a special guest with me, and I have so many questions. I'm going to ask him so many questions so that you can get a proper answer. And those who are watching this video, uh, uh, until this video you can watch our video, right?
Yes.
So Mahmoud, in my side actually I have so many experience that from the beginning time when I was learning English, I got so many obstacles. I was facing so many obstacles, problem from the society, not only the society but also our friends, but also
Yeah.
our neighborhoods, right? If someone want to learn English, their friends or surrounded the people,
Yeah.
they're trying to interrupt them. They're trying to what can I say, actually they try to
Disturb.
disturb them. So actually in this case actually what should we have do,
Yeah.
and how to learn English from them this
Yeah.
side, or remove the society, or I can say inform in from us or about in our life, in our side, what should we have do to learn English by like facing this type of problem.
Okay, thank you very much. I really appreciate this question. So, first of all, I want to share with you my own story that also happens with me. So, when I started my English journey, that time I got so many disturb.
Okay.
I got so many of struggle while learning English language. So, there are some of my friends actually. I didn't have any English man with whom I can make conversation that time. So that's why I used to make conversation with my but what they have done, there are some of my friends, when I was speaking with them, they was just abusing me. So
Okay.
they are giving me so many abuse. So but I didn't actually stop my English journey. And I what I have done, I just try to actually abstain from them. And I try to figure out the Englishmen. I try to find out Englishmen who are going to learn English, and I try to make conversation with them. And gradually, when I saw that actually they don't want from me that I will speak in English, so that time I just try to actually despair the relationship
Okay.
between them, because as a friend they should inspire us while learning English language. So they didn't actually inspire us, but they are disturbing us. So that's why I have done, I didn't actually make any conversation when I got some abuse from their side. And I didn't expect from them that I have to face this situation. And I just try to boycott them from that time. So now I don't have any friends, because they didn't want from me that I will learn English. So how I can actually make them friend? As
Yeah.
a friend, actually others friends, they should actually inspire, they should encourage, but they didn't done it, they didn't do it. So that's why I have boycotted them. And now I try to stay connect with the Englishmen who can speak in English or who are going to learn English. And when I got this option, when I faced this problem, so from that time I try to encourage all the English learner who are going to learn English. So when I got any message, before some days, I got a message from others. So I told them, actually you can start your English journey, whatever you want, I can give you, no problem. So from now I try to encourage them so that they won't face this problem while learning English language. So I think for the English learner who are beginner at the first time, we shouldn't actually think about their self. We should boycott who don't want from us that we will speak in English. So I think we should find out some English speakers who can speak in English, so it will be better for us. And that's all about this question.
Oh my God.
What will be your suggestion about it?
Okay, so those are watching this video, behind us there are two children. They are laughing because of
Yes.
we are speaking in English, and I think they are not able to understand. Okay, So those who are watching this video, I think guys you have understood that if you want to learn English, you will get so many obstacles from your friends, from
Yeah.
your society, even from your family, I can say, in a word.
Yeah.
So we have to maintain the main destination from them. Those those are going to interrupt you, those are going to
Yes.
abuse you, right? So that's the thing actually. And so Mahmoud has done an incredible job. I think you should apply yourself so that you can be a good speaker. And you know that most of we are when we are trying to speak English, and most of the people, our friend also, they want to try to they try to disturb us, right? So
Yes.
I think we should avoid this type of people. We should avoid this type of people. We should boycott them. So in this side actually, if you will able to, when you will able to boycott them, you will be a good speaker.
Yes,
Right.
absolutely.
And okay, Mahmoud, I have one question, and another question, that is shameless.
Yes.
Okay, so though we are a learner, and right now we are speaking English, so this is a live proof, I can say.
Yeah.
Right. Behind us there are two children, they are laughing, for we are speaking
Yes.
English. That's the reason actually. So what we should do actually, what we should be
Okay.
for speaking English, for
Yeah.
getting our fluency, I can say, in a word, because
So-
in the society actually, when we were trying to speak English, we will shame.
Yeah.
We'll be shame for while we speak English in front of the people. So what should we do? You can give
okay.
the
Another
suggestion.
story I forgot to tell you, that actually when I got these types of struggle from my friends, that time I just boycotted them, and now I can speak in English, but they interrupt me to learn English from that time. So but right now they don't know how to speak in English, but I know how to speak in English, and I'm able to earn money by learning English, but they're unable to earn money by learning English.
Oh
language.
my God.
This is the difference. So I think we should not stop our English journey, because if I stopped that time, so actually it is not possible for me. Now I can speak English. There are so many guys who knows me very well, and I'm able to earn money, and I have brought a cycle by my own money by learning English. So I think this is not actually possible if you just stop. So it is actually impossible to learn English. So another question you asked me, that is shameless. So there are so many speakers while learning English language, we are facing this problem. So I think we have to be shameless while speaking. There are so many actually learner, they told me that actually, brother, I feel shy to speak in English in front of anyone. I really feel shy to make conversation with others. So what I have to do? Oh my goodness, you have to speak in English in front of them. Then it is possible to remove your shyness. Actually, for learning how to swim, so we have to go pond. Without going pond, how we can learn how to swim?
Yeah.
So like this one, if you want to remove your shameless, you have to if you want to remove your shyness, so you have to speak in English in front of everyone. When I started my English journey, that time I used to speak in English with children as well as old men. Okay, so they didn't understand any words, but I tried to make conversation with them.
Okay.
So they know me very well right now. I can speak in English. So I think that time I tried to make conversation with them. That's why I am able to remove my shyness. So my suggestion will be for the students, for the English learner, if you want to remove your shyness, you have to speak in English in front of anyone. And if you think you feel shy, you can make conversation with children, because they won't understand.
Yeah.
And then gradually you can make others. So
Okay.
it will be better.
Okay, so that's the fantastic answer, like in a word, because those who are watching this video, I think you have got it the point. And you know that Mahmoud have told us that we have to be immodest, we have to be shameless.
Yeah.
If you want to remove your shyness, you have to if you want to get your fluency within a very short time, you have to be a public speaker, in a
Yes,
word, right?
exactly.
All right, we are speaking English right now, sitting in the grass, and this is actually a public place, right?
Yeah.
And as you can see, next to our site, rail line has gone this side. So there are so many there are so many guys, they are wandering this place, and they are looking on us, but we don't have any shame, or we
Yes.
don't have any shame to for them or for speaking English. So this is the actually biggest thing that is we have removed in the past time for speaking English in public side, right? Right, we are like we are learn, we work, and we are work and English instructor
Yes.
at English message, right?
course.
So there are so many students who are learning English in English message, and we are trying
Yes.
to give speech in front of them.
Yeah,
So in this way, actually, you have to remove your shyness.
Yeah.
And the most interesting thing is you have told us that first of all you have to talk with children, because
Yes.
they actually don't know, and they don't know about English language, right? And if you want to actually, if you try to talk about children, actually it will be better for you. You gradually you will be able to removing your shyness within a very short time, and after that, when you will try to speak in society, in front of your friends, it will be easy, I can say, right? So that's all about. I think you have got it the point. So assalamu alaikum, keep practicing, stay well, stay
Bye.
happy.
Okay.